Part of Nike's Protro line, the Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro reimagines a classic Kobe Bryant silhouette with modern performance upgrades. The black and university gold colorway features a predominantly black Flyknit upper with vibrant university gold accents, combining sleek aesthetics with advanced functionality. The Flyknit construction ensures a lightweight, breathable, and supportive fit, ideal for athletes who rely on agility and precision. Lunarlon cushioning delivers responsive, impact-absorbing support, adapting to quick directional changes and hard landings. This makes the sneaker particularly suitable for players who demand speed, stability, and comfort throughout the game. The low-cut design enhances mobility, allowing for explosive movements and quick cuts without compromising ankle support. Marrying form and function, this updated take on the Kobe 9 Elite Low maintains its iconic visual identity while catering to today's performance standards.